As mentioned in the prior video, for these dependencies to show up as green, Studio is going to need to proxy to your local device through Sidecar. If during onboarding for Msty Studio you did not install Sidecar, no worries. You could go to the Msty Studio docs and to the Sidecar section, and then there's going to be links here for you to download and install Sidecar onto your device, as well as it provides other helpful information for Sidecar. Check the description for this video. I'll provide a link to this documentation section in the description area. Okay, so back here in Studio, what we want to do is connect to Sidecar. I have Sidecar currently running on my device. So if I expand the toolbar here, that's that little kind of wheel icon right here. And then what we'll want to do is click on Copy Local Connection Info. And then back in Studio, click on the button that says Connect with Sidecar. And then we're going to swap out the connection info with the one that we just copied. Click on Save and Connect. And then at this point, you'll see that some of the stuff turned green, mainly Python 3. And some of the items, some of the dependencies remain red, such as Node and NPX. So I actually do have these dependencies installed on my device. And in the next video, I'll show you more clearly how to install dependencies on your local device. But if you see this, if you come across this scenario where you know you have Sidecar running and you know you have these dependencies installed on your device, what you might do is exit out of the Sidecar application. So I'm going to quit Msty Sidecar and then open up your terminal. And in your terminal or your command line interface, what you can do is launch Msty from that. So I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to put the Mac command in here, which is open A for application, and then Msty Sidecar. And then click on enter. And then if I expand the toolbar again, I'll see that once again we have Msty Sidecar running. And then I'm going to once again click on copy local connection info. Go back to Studio, click on Reconnect with Sidecar, put in my new connection info, and then click on Save and Connect. And now I can see that everything turned green. So if you saw the dependencies look red and you know that they're running on your computer, with this workaround, when launching Msty Sidecar in this particular method, it just allows for that better detection and that better connection with those local dependencies on your device. So to recap, the main thing for Msty Studio for the Toolbox, if you really want to leverage MCP and the Toolbox and all this awesome functionality, you have to have Sidecar running on your local device. There is no other way for Studio to connect to the dependencies running on your device. You must use the Sidecar application as a proxy in order to get this done.